Hey there, I'm Luke the Cookin Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper. We've been walking around the strip and we just got done hanging out at the Vidara Dog Park. We've got an Uber back to the camper and we're going to be trying out a Dash pocket sandwich maker and we're going to make some pizza pocket sandwiches. Well, we've got our Dash pocket sandwich maker here. Now I did open this at home to look at the recipes inside, but I just popped it back in here to show you guys what it came looking like. Here's the recipe book. And here it is. So you just put your bread, your filling, another piece of bread, and then you close the lid and it cooks. Here is the sandwich maker. And then here's the recipe book. And it has a lot of different recipes to follow. We are going to be making the pizza pockets. So we just need some bread, pepperoni, mozzarella cheese, and some marinara sauce. I've got all that stuff right here. Now it also does say to use spray cooking oil, but I'm just gonna rub it with some butter. Let's get started. Now I've got everything laid out. The sandwich maker has heated up. And it's nice, it has a little latch right here so that it's a little bit safer. Now I'm just gonna rub it with some butter, just a little bit. Now we've got our bread, some mozzarella cheese, and some pepperoni. And then the little latch just latched on. So now we're just gonna let the sandwich heat up. Now in the instructions, it doesn't say exactly how long your sandwich needs to cook. It just says after a few minutes. And the sandwich I'm making is pretty full, so it did not shut all the way. So after a couple of minutes, I'm just gonna unlatch it and see if it's browned enough. That is looking pretty good. Let's see if the bottom looks pretty browned. I think that looks pretty tasty. Let's do another one. Now you do have to be careful. This does get pretty hot. So if you're kind of sensitive to heat, you might want to use a oven mitt to press it down. That looks delicious. These look absolutely amazing. I love this little Dash pocket sandwich maker. Well, this pocket sandwich maker made absolutely delicious looking sandwiches. If you liked this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Check out next week to see what other sandwich I make in this little sandwich maker. And don't forget to get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.